everything. Student, now slowly open your eyes. Keep your hands down and sit straight. Okay, students, I welcome you all to our online class. My name is Mrs. Sangita from Bisht. Our subject for today is play to learn, and our date is 31st December 2020. Students, before introducing the topic, I would like to ask you some questions. Okay, are you ready for the questions? Okay, very good. So, students, I have something for you. Look at this packet, students. Now tell me what is inside this packet. Very good. Vaishnavi, very good. The answer is milk. Daily you have this milk. Now, students, tell me which animal gives us milk? Which animal gives us milk? Very good. Cow and goat. Very, very good. Then buffalo. Very nice. So you all know that we normally have milk of cow, goat, buffalo. Right? Now, these animals, you know, students, are our pet animals. Okay? We keep them with us. So what are these animals known as? As you know that these don't stay in the jungle. So what we name them? What are these animals known as? Yes, very good. They are known as domestic animals. Very, very good. Now, students, our today's topic is also related to domestic animals. Our topic name is other areas and subtopic name is conversation of animals and birds. Now, conversation means what? Students, conversation means communication between two persons. When two persons are talking to one another, it is known as communication. Okay. Now here in our lesson also, students, animals are doing conversation. Now you must be surprised how animals are doing conversation and what they are talking. So I will tell you what they are talking through a small play. Okay. So I have a small setup for you. This is our farm. See, I will adjust the camera for you so that you can see the farm. Okay. Yes, there are grass in the farm. Okay. You normally see the farm in the village area. Now, students, in the farm, you know that there are many animals. Okay. So here, one by one, each animal will come and say something. Okay. So let's see what the first animal is saying. So in a farm, there was a hen, and she was pecking up the grain. You know, hens what they do? They normally eat the grain. So she was pecking up the grain. Okay. Now while she was doing that, a cow entered. Okay, the cow entered the farm. Can you see the cow? She is entering the farm. Now there is a conversation between the hen and the cow. Let's see what they are talking. Okay, the cow said to the hen, this is the cow. Hey, Mrs. Hen, haven't you finished digging up the yard? To which the hen said, oh dear, you come so early. Where did the coward go? Cow, do you know what happened today? The master and mistress both had gone to the neighboring village early this morning, and they won't be coming back till late in the evening. So we told the coward, why don't you also take a day off today? He promptly ran away. So we took him home soon. Now, student, here the cow replied to the hen that their master and mistress both had gone to the nearby village and will be returning late in the evening. So the cow told the coward to take a holiday. And hearing that, the coward had ran away. So, do you know who is the coward, student? A coward is a person who takes care of the cow. Now, the hen said again, but do you know why the master and mistress have gone? They are going to sell all those eggs we gave and bring home a bag full of money. Now, here the hen is feeling very proud. Huh? She is feeling that whatever egg she has laid will bring a lot of money. So, hearing that, the cow said, oh, well, you need not boast. You know, we are also useful. Our milk fetches a lot of money. Okay? Here, the cow is telling the hen not to boast about its uses. Student, boast means is to feel proud. When you feel proud, that means you are boasting. Here, the cow is boasting. The cow boasts about that he gives milk, which when sold brings a lot of money. Okay. Now, student, hearing their conversation between the cow and the hen, a buffalo enters the scene. Now, see, this is the buffalo. She is entering.
Oh, Rambutai, don't show off so much. We give much more milk than you do, and it doesn't spoil easily. So many products are made from our milk.
Student, what is the buffalo saying? Here, buffalo is now telling the cow that you don't feel proud of yourself, as the buffalo also gives milk, and the milk that she gives is of good quality and it doesn't spoil easily. And many products are also made from the buffalo milk. As their conversation was going on, a goat comes hopping by. See our goat? She's coming hopping by. Okay, she's hopping. Now, the hen says, here our wife and goat. Oh, where have you been gallivanting today? Student, the hen is asking the goat where she was gallivanting. Gallivanting means where she was roaming whole day. To which the goat replied,
You know, Sister Hen, we don't stay at one place at home pecking the ground like you. We go and find our own food. No one has to spend money for us, and yet we have our own uses. We give milk and meat, and all our parts as well as our droppings are useful, you know.
student, here the goat is saying that all its body parts are useful, right? And then she is also telling that I have many uses. Here again, now in the conversation going on, the cow interferes. Now see what the cow is saying. That's true, of course. But after all, we are the ones who provides bullock for tilling the field and cows for milk. Student, the cow says that the cows are more useful as they are giving birth to bullocks who are useful in farming as well as cows for giving the milk. Hearing this, the buffalo says,
Oh, you two can keep talking, but neither of you can compare with us.
now here student, the buffalo says that she is more useful and should not be compared with anyone. Now she is looking for the friend hen. She is saying that where has the hen disappeared? Now again the hen comes. Now look what the hen is saying. I am right here. I noticed a kite hovering in the sky. It makes off my cheek. So I shoot them into the pen. But I was listening to all that you said. The long and the short of it is that we all are useful for humans. Why should we quarrel over it? Student, here the hen is saying that she had gone to shoo away a kite. Do you know who is a kite? A kite is a bird, just like an eagle, somewhat like an eagle, which eats small animals and birds. And that listening to the conversation, the hen has come to a conclusion that they all were very useful and they should not quarrel with one another. Okay? Now, in the end, the buffalo wants to say something.
She's right. She looks small but makes a great sense. Anyway, the sun is setting and they will be back soon. Let's all go back to our places.
So, in the end, students, the buffalo is saying that the hen here is saying right. She is small. She is small animal, but then also she is saying right. Okay. Now they all are convinced that they all are very useful and they will went happily from there. Now all the animals got convinced that they are useful, so they are going back to their places. So let the animals go back to their places. Yes. So all have gone back to their places. The farm. So students, to this place, I have let you know the conversation between the animals. Now answer my one question. Okay, listen to the question. The question is, student, what was the main topic of the animals' conversation? What was the main topic of the animals' conversation? You can message me in the chat box. Yes, right. Usefulness. Each animal was talking about its usefulness. Like the cow. Here is our cow. What did the cow say? The cow says that I'm useful for giving milk, and milk is bringing money for my master, right? And what did the hen say? The hen says that I'm useful for giving eggs, and my eggs also brings lots of money for my master. The buffalo. The buffalo says that she also brings milk and her milk is of good quality which doesn't get spoiled easily, right? And last not the least was the goat, right? What did the goat say? That all her body parts are useful, right? And she gives meat and milk. So all these animals were useful to us or their master or mistress. Now, student, are these animals only useful for these things, eggs, milk, and all? No, there are many more uses. So, to make you know about these uses, I have a presentation for you. Okay, so let's go for this presentation through which you will come to know more and more uses of these animals. So, I'm going to share a PPT for you through which you will come to know about these animals. Okay. So student, this is the presentation. Our subject is play, do and learn. Okay, or play, do, learn. Our topic is other areas in which we are learning conversation of animals and birds. This is our logo of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. My name. Next, domestic animal. As you all know, students, we are talking about domestic animals, right? So let's see the meaning properly. Animals which are tamed and live with humans are called domestic animals. Now, what is given here, student? Animals which are tamed. What is tamed? Tames mean kept as pet or which are controlled, right? We cannot control jungle animals like lion, tiger. It is very difficult to keep them with us. But those animals which we keep with us are called as domestic animals. Example, dog, cat, cow, right? Buffalo, goat, what we saw in the conversation. Okay? So here are some pictures. See the pictures. There is a cow, there are goats, hare or rabbits. That also people keep as domestic animal. Then horse is there, cats are there, dog which guards our house, okay, and sheep. So all these domestic animals are very useful to humans or us, right? Next slide. Animals mentioned in the play or the conversation. So do you remember which were the animals? First one was the cow. Second one, hen. Third one, buffalo. Fourth one is the goat. Okay. So these animals we saw in the play, students. So one by one, we are going to see about their uses. Okay. These animal uses. First animal use is about the cow. Okay. Cow, we are going to see how she is useful to us. Cow gives us dairy products like milk, yogurt, butter, ghee, cheese, etc. Now, student, these are the milk products, which is made from the cow's milk. From the picture, you can see that the first one is ghee, a packet of ghee, butter, cheese, curd. These all things are made from the cow milk. So, cow gives us all these products. We enjoy butter in our sandwiches, cheese also we enjoy. We enjoy curd, yogurt to eat with our meals. We enjoy the smell of the ghee. All these things we get from the cow's milk. Understood, student? Okay. Next, cow dung is used as manure in farming. Now, the cow dung, everyone should know what is a cow dung. It is the cow waste. Okay, so it is used for farming process. How it is useful? It is dried, student, and then it is put in the plants. Can you see the picture here? A lady is having a basket of cow dung. And what she is doing? Yes, she is putting it in the plants. Now, why she is putting it in the plants? Yes, so that the plants grow. They will get nutrients from the cow dung and will get good vegetable, fruit or crops. Okay, so farmers normally they use the cow dung in farming. Next, cow urine is used as medicine. Student, in Ayurveda, cow urine is used for making different types of medicine. It cures many diseases. Okay, so many people they consume this cow urine. See the picture here. Many herbs and things are kept here, and this is a medicine which is made from the cow urine. Okay. Next slide. Cow skin is used for making leather goods. Now, cow is very useful, but after the cow dies, then also the cow skin is used for making different things. Like here, the cow skin is used to make shoes, bag, leather jackets, watch, and leather gloves. Can you see the picture? From this, you can see how many products are being made from the cow skin. All these things are very useful to us, right? Next, uses of hen. Our next animal is the hen. Hen gives us eggs and meat. Student, you must be eating this eggs and meat. All non-vegetarian people, they like to eat eggs and meat. So this is the main product which the hen gives us. Hen feathers are used to make decorative articles. Now, student, as hen gives eggs and meat, same way the feathers of the hen, they are colored, they are dyed. and they are used to decorate different articles. See the first picture. Here you can see a rubber band which is being decorated by the hen feathers. Second picture side is a wall hanging. See how beautiful it is, right? It is made with the help of hen feather. Next, hen feathers are used for making earrings, hats, and other things. See here, nice beautiful blue earring is there. It is made with the help of hen feathers. And here a pink hat which is decorated on top with the help of the hen feather. Isn't it looking nice today? Yes, very good. It is looking nice. Next, uses of buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk, yogurt, butter, ghee, etc. All dairy products, students, here are made with the help of buffalo, right? Like the yogurt, butter, ghee, cheese, etc. is made with the help of buffalo milk. Buffalo is also used for transportation purpose. Now here, can you see student? Here is a man who is using buffalo for the transportation purpose. He is carrying his loads with the help of a buffalo. Buffalo dung is used for manure. In manure means the cow dung, buffalo dung cakes are dried and then they are used for making manure. Now here is a lady who is using the buffalo dung in her plants so that the plants will grow here with good quality crops. Okay, so in villages normally we see such things. Buffalo is also used for farming. See here, man is using buffalo for farming purpose. Buffalo dung cakes are used for burning purpose. Now, can you see here in the picture? See what you can see, student? Yes, you can see that there are dung cakes. Okay, that is the cow dung or the buffalo dung. Here we are talking about buffalo. Buffalo dung is made into cake shape and then it is dried. Okay, it is dried and then it is used for burning purpose. This is an easy fuel available in the village area. Okay, and which is used for burning purpose, for cooking as well as for heating the water. Okay, students. Next, uses of goat. Next, the main uses of goat here, student, is that goats give us milk and meat. Now, these are the two main products of the goat that you all know, and all non-vegetarian people, they enjoy eating the goat meat. Goat's dairy product. See here, all the picture is given, which is the goat's product, like the milk powder, yogurt, cheese, butter, etc. You know, student, goat milk is full of protein. It contains more protein than other milk, okay, cow's milk and buffalo milk. So, all these products here are made from the goat milk. Next one, goats are useful for beauty products like soap, lotion, cream. You must not be knowing, student, but many soaps which are very good for our skin is made from goats. Okay, and here goat lotion and cream also we get it. Now here is a picture of a hand wash. which is made from the goat. Okay, hand washes are also made from goats. It's the product of a goat. So see how goat are useful. Goat's fur is used for making different things. Now see in the picture, students, so many things, beautiful things are made from the goat, like the coat, blue coat. It is made from the goat's fur. Its fur is very smooth, so it protects people from winter as well as it looks very good. Okay, shoes. See here, one brown bag and a cushion cover. All these products and many more products are made from the goat fur. Okay, next. Next, we come to the meanings. Okay, student, whatever meaning we have done in our play or conversation, that new words meaning I will tell you. Along with that, some sentences are also there so that it can help you to understand. Promptly. First one is promptly means without delay. Like the police caught the thief promptly means without delay. Second one is packing. To eat something with its beak. Like the hen was pecking the grain, means he was eating something with the grain, with the beak. Third one is coward. Who is a coward? A person whose job is to take care of the cow is known as a cowherd. Next, like the cowherd took the cows for grazing. Fourth one is hovering. To stay in the air in one place. For example, a eagle was hovering in the sky to eat the snake. So, you understood the meaning, student? I also told you the sentence so that you can understand it properly. Okay? Promptly, pecking, covered, and hovering. Okay? Next. Next, we come to the question and answer session. Student, you have to answer me through the chat box. Okay, I will read the question as well as the four options. Think and select the right option. Also, after your answer, the answer here will appear in red color. Okay, students? So let's start with the question number one. Which animal characters were mentioned in the conversation? A. Sheep and pig. B. Horse and parrot. C. Cat, dog, duck and pig. Or D. Cow, goat, buffalo and hen. So tell me the answer, student. Yes, good. The answer is D1. Cow, goat, buffalo and hen. Very good. Next. Where did the animal's master and mistress went early morning? A option. To a wedding. B. To neighboring village. C. To a fair. D. To city. Now remember what was told by the cow in the play. Where did the animal master and mistress went early morning? Yes, very, very good. Intelligent student. To the neighboring village. They went to a neighboring village, right? Next. Why did the master and mistress go to the neighboring village? Options are A. To sell eggs. B. To sell milk. C. To sell goats. D. To sell butter. Think and tell students. Why did they go? Answer me in the chat box. Good. Very good. Yes, this went to sell the egg. Next, fourth one. Which domestic animal gives us both milk and meat? A. Horse. B. Hen. C. Goat. D. Dog. Think and tell me, student. Does horse give us milk? No. Does hen gives us milk and meat? No, it doesn't give us milk. It gives us meat. So, which one? Yes, you all are correct. The answer is C1. That is the goat. Fifth one. Find domestic animals from which we get dairy products. Dairy products, milk products. Okay. A. Dogs and cats. B. Hens. C. Cow, buffalo, goat. D. Rabbit. Select the right option. Yes, very, very good. The answer is C1. Cow, buffalo, and goat. All these people, they give us milk from which we get different dairy products like yogurt, curd, butter, right? All these things are there. So answer is C1. Okay. Next, last question for you. How is cow dung useful to us? Used as material for constructing huts, useful for burning, useful for as manure, or D1 all. See, student used as material for constructing huts. You can remember how in the villages huts are made. What is used? For burning, I told you, I showed you the slide, useful as manure. So what option is right? Think and tell. Very good, children. You all are correct. All are correct. A option is also correct. B option is also correct. And C option is also correct. So D1 will come all. Okay. Now, what did we learn? First one, student, we learned that domestic animals are very useful to us. They provide us with things useful in our day-to-day life. Student, all the domestic animals, right from dog, cat, goat, cow, they all are useful. For example, dog, it guards our house, right? And other animals, they are also useful to us. So whatever day-to-day things we are using, in some or the other way, the domestic animals you gives us those products. Okay. Next, animals have their own language and feeling. Now you saw the conversation, right? And you also heard it. So what you came to know? You came to know that all animals are having their language, but do we understand them? No, we don't understand them because they talk in their language which is not understood by humans. But students, they have their own language and also feelings. They like to be loved and cared. So what we should do? We should love them and also take proper care of them. We should not harm them. We should see they are also living things and they also like to be loved and cared. Okay. So these are the things, student, that you learn from the whole conversation. Okay. Now this is the homework for you. Write few lines on any domestic animals. Now you came to know about many domestic animals here. So student, you can write some sentences, also stick pictures on it and make a project book of it. Okay. Next homework is make a paper mask of any domestic animals. So paper mask you can do of different animals and here we so student here we came to an end of the presentation. Now regarding your homework student, I told you that make a paper mask, okay? Paper mask and put it on your face and practice the conversation. Now what will happen when you practice conversation? It will help you to improve your pronunciation as well as you will gain confidence, right? So everyone should practice conversation. Now in this play, I have used these types of stick puppets. So you can make these puppets also, keep it here on in front of your mouth and practice the conversation. Okay. So, student, here we come to the end of our lesson. I would like you to tell you that you should daily join our BMC online classes channel, and also you should like and subscribe the channel. I hope you all understood the lesson. So I wish you all a very good day. So students, stay home, stay safe. So goodbye from Meena.